our happy clients. So let's start for the today's session of Oracle ARCS. We'll be taking up unapplied cash receipts, reconciliation of unapplied cash receipts using the Oracle ARCS application. Unapplied cash receipts or unapplied receipts are basically the remittances or the amounts that have been received from the customer in your bank accounts. If you're an entity, received amounts or cash amounts from your customers, but you're unable to allocate it to a particular invoice. The reason may be they have actually partly paid some invoice, the invoice has been paid after it had been declared a bad debt, or the invoice has been paid after being aged. There are so many reasons that it can happen to. So these are basically what unapplied cash receipts are, and we are going to just see the reconciliation of these through ARCS application. ARCS applications provide you reconciliations on the go in the very time and in an efficient and an effective manner. It saves your effort, saves your efforts of your human resources. The time that is very important, the human resource time involvement in your company is the utmost importance. So ARCS helps you to save those efforts and channelize them into some more optimum utilizations. And so when at the time of such receipts, they are actually recorded in your, though they are not identified in terms of your invoice number, but they need to be classified and recorded in your books of accounts so as to have a tally between your bank and cash transactions. So it is better to record it, and as and when you find a invoice pertaining to that particular receipt, you can just allocate it as and when you start finding it. So at the time of receiving, the entry that you pass in your books is actually bank or cash account, however you have received it. To unapplied cash receipts or unapplied receipts, unapplied account receivables is totally dependent on the company. So this is the account reconciliation cloud that is provided by Oracle, and we'll be just performing this reconciliation of unapplied cash receipts over using the ARCS. This is the Excel sheet that I'll be using. I've just added a snapshot of the Excel sheet that I'll be using, so that is more clear. This is the format that I'll be using the Excel sheet of to upload my balance of this particular profile that I have created for unapplied cash receipts. So before coming down to the Excel and everything, let us just understand this ARCS profile that I have created. So this is the profile that I have created for the purpose of unapplied cash receipts or unapplied receipts. As you can see, the account, the profile ID is 303-12120, and I've provided a name of unapplied cash receipts AR. And the process used is balance sheet. Risk rating depends on the company, the entity. This is specific to the entity. You can rate but this is something very interesting that is provided by ARCS, where you can actually rate your reconciliations in A grade, B grade, or C grade, depending on the risk that is attached to those. A being the highest, C being the lowest. And the method used is, of course, account analysis, because there are no other places where you can compare. No balance comparison is involved here. You will just analyze the account of unapplied cash receipts and allocate the receipts to your invoices, and whatever is your way of doing that. So the format used is zero balance account. And let me just also provide you with the format that I have used. Let us also just go through the format that has been used. This is the format that has been used, that has a source balance and a balance explanation tab, where whatever is the amount balance that you have, it will be provided with an explanation as to why has this explanation occurred. I mean, sorry, why has this difference, or why has this account been standing in your books with this amount? What is the amount signifying? Which invoice hasn't been recorded, or what was it pertaining to which invoice, or whatever is the balance explanation can be provided under that. Yes, so I will just help you with the Excel sheet. As you can see on my screen, this is the Excel sheet uploading that I'm going to upload into my system. This is the balance for this profile ID that we have seen for unapplied cash receipts. We'll be providing this balance to it, or rather uploading this balance in USD. It can be any currency code, can be anything. You can have GBP, you can have INR. It totally depends on your currency calculations, or rather your entity currency usage. Whichever currency is prevalent and used in your entity, you can use that currency code. I am using USD. You can use euros, GBP, whatever you want. Moving back to our cloud. Yes, I would like to perform a reconciliation for the period of April 2019. So I'm just going to map my balance, upload my balance. This is the file. It is a source system balance because we have a zero balance account, so there is no subsystem or something. April 2019 is right. Currency bucket I'm using as functional. USD is my functional currency, and I can just import it. My balance has been uploaded. Now let us get back to our profile that we had created. I'm just going to create reconciliation for this particular profile. Since we're dealing in a single profile, I'm just creating a reconciliation from here only. You can also create it from periods. As you can see, my profile has been successfully copied. Let us just get back to a reconciliation card. I'm just going to change my period from here. Yes, so I'll just have my, so this was the balance that we had updated in our source system. So whoever will be the preparer, this is from the administrator point of view, who will be the preparer will provide a balance explanation for this amount over here. So let us also try and prepare this reconciliation. So I'm just going to sign out as administrator and sign in as Frank Taylor, who is in my profile the preparer for this type of, for this reconciliation. As you can see, I've signed in as Frank, who is going to prepare reconciliation for that particular profile. The period here is already April 2019. I'm just going to direct jump onto my profile for which I'm creating a reconciliation. So as you can see here, this is the balance and this is the balance summary explanation. So I'm just going to add a description. Let's say this was an invoice which couldn't be identified. This was the invoice number. The transaction date was 10th of April. Long description if you want to just provide. I am just again typing the invoice number. So this is my invoice was not located. I'm just going to provide for this amount. As you can see, I've just provided for this amount. I am saving it. And as you can see now, let's say this whole amount was pertaining to this, invoice number, which could not be located at that time, at that point of time. But after, when we were just creating the reconciliation or finalizing the books, we could just locate that invoice. So now I have located that invoice. I've entered it here, and now as you can see, there are no unexplained differences pertaining to this particular reconciliation in my books. Also, let's say this 15,000 amount uh, pertain to 15 different invoices, 15 different ways, 15 different reasons could be provided. So I could just provide 1,000 USD for each and every explanation, each and every description. So I'm just going to submit it. Once you submit, you will not be able to change your reconciliation. Now it is up to the approver. The approver or the reviewer is going to just approve your reconciliation and close it. So this is how we are going to prepare the reconciliation of unapplied cash receipts in ARCS. ARCS provides a very easy way of reconciling your items in books, where you do not have to hop on to different sheets, different Excels and different things, and you can just perform your reconciliation there and then. So thank you so much. That was it from my side. And if any questions in setting up your scenario or something, you can of course reach us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you so much.